Make money with artificial intelligence. 1. Become an AI prompt designer. What it is: crafting optimized text prompts that coax powerful, on-point results from generative models, ChatGPT, Midjourney, DALL, etc. How to start? Learn by testing. Spend time with different models. Keep a prompt diary. Note which phrasings give the best image styles or the most coherent text. Package your best prompts. Organize by niche, for example, architectural sketch, fantasy landscape, e-commerce ad copy. Sell on marketplaces, Gumroad, Ko-fi, Etsy, digital downloads, or specialized prompt stores like PromptBase. Tips to scale. Offer custom prompt tuning services, one-to-one coaching, or subscription packs that update monthly with fresh ideas. 2. Start an AI-powered YouTube channel. What it is: a channel where AI does most of the work, scripts, voiceovers, editing, while you handle strategy and publishing. How to start? Pick your niche. For example, AI in design, tech news, life hacks. Script with ChatGPT, outline hooks, main points, and CTAs. Generate voiceover. Tools like Eleven Labs let you choose custom voices. Edit automatically. Upload footage or stock clips to Pictory, Runway, or CapCut AI. They'll sync visuals to your script. Optimize for SEO. Use TubeBuddy or Vidic to research keywords and craft compelling thumbnails. Tips to scale. Repurpose long videos into 30 to 60-second shorts. Cross-post to TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Pinterest video to drive back to your channel. 3. Sell AI-generated art. What it is: create digital art, illustrations, posters, textures via Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion. Then sell prints or digital files. How to start? Experiment with styles: Renaissance, cyberpunk, minimalism. Find what's unique and saleable. Set up shop: Etsy, Redbubble, Society6, or your own Shopify store. Create mockups. Use Placeit or Smart Mockups to show your art on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. Market your work. Instagram is huge for art. Relevant hashtags: #AIArt, #digital print. Tips to scale. License your art for stock image sites. Sell limited edition NFTs or bundle art packs for other creators. 4. Offer AI consulting for small businesses. What it is: help local or online businesses automate tasks, customer support, email campaigns, social media posting by integrating AI tools. How to start? Build case studies. Run AI experiments on your own brand. For example, automate your newsletter with GPT. Package service tiers: quick audits, full AI integration, and monthly retainer for ongoing optimization. Outreach. Cold email local shops. I can help you reply to customer queries in under 5 minutes. Deliverables: training docs, customized chatbots using tools like BotPress or ChatGPT.com. Workflow automation: Zapier plus AI. Tips to scale. Partner with web design agencies to offer AI add-ons and hire juniors to handle onboarding.
10 genius ways to make money with AI. 5. Create and sell AI online courses. What it is: teach others how to leverage AI in your area of expertise: architecture, marketing, writing, design. How to start? Validate demand. Run a quick survey in relevant Facebook groups or LinkedIn. Outline curriculum. Break down modules, for example, Intro to GPT, Prompt Engineering, Advanced Use Cases. Record with AI help. Use scripts from ChatGPT and AI voiceovers if you prefer. Post on platforms: Teachable, Thinkific, or even Udemy. Launch. Offer early bird pricing. Bundle with 1-to-1 office hours. Tips to scale: at community forums or mastermind upsells. And license your course to corporations. 6. AI copywriting and content services. What it is: use GPT-4 or similar to generate high-quality marketing copy, blog posts, sales pages, newsletters that you edit and brand. How to start? Portfolio pieces. Generate sample blog posts or add copy for fictional brands. Define packages. For example, 5 blog posts a month. Email sequence. Landing page rewrite. Choose delivery method. direct outreach on LinkedIn, or list services on Fiverr. Upwork. Refinement. Always human-edited outputs to ensure tone and accuracy. Tips to scale. Hire other editors and junior prompt writers. Build a small agency model. 7. Develop and monetize an AI-powered web app. What it is: a simple app, no code or low code, that taps into GPT or other APIs to solve a problem. For example, instant meeting summaries, AI persona generator. How to start: identify pain points, survey friends or online forums for repetitive tasks they wish were automated. Build fast, use Bubble, Glide, or Software to integrate OpenAI's API. MVP launch. Offer freemium model basic use for free. Premium features behind a paywall. Acquire users. Content marketing. How our AI app saved me 5 hours. Week. Ads. Or product hunt launch. Tips to scale. Add team plans. White label options. Or API resale to other devs. 8. Voice cloning plus audio projects. What it is: clone voices with the Levin Labs. The script. Or Resemble.ai to produce audiobooks, podcasts, ads, or voiceovers. How to start: learn the tools. Practice cloning public domain voices, for example, Shakespeare's plays. Create demos, short narrations, character voices, or ad reads. List on marketplaces, Fiverr, Upwork, or directly pitch to indie authors and small studios. Deliver. Provide high-quality MP3, WAV files, with optional SSML tagging for processing. Tips to scale: offer batch voice-over subscriptions, or build a library of pre-cloned celebrity-style voices for quick projects.
Make money with artificial intelligence. 9. AI-powered resume and LinkedIn optimizer. What it is: a service or mini app that ingests someone's resume profile and spins out polished, keyword-optimized versions tailored to a target role. How to start: prototype with ChatGPT. Feed sample resumes plus job descriptions. Fine-tune prompts until outputs shine. Create a clean front end. Even a simple typeform plus Zapier plus GPT flow works. Pricing: per resume fee or monthly subscription, for example, and limited tweaks for €50 month. Marketing: reach out to career coaches, post in job search forums, partner with university career centers. Tips to scale: add AI-driven cover letter and LinkedIn about section generators. Upsell interview prep scripts. 10. Cheer at AI trends as a content creator. What it is: be the AI news anchor who distills daily, weekly tool releases, prompt hacks, and case studies. How to start: choose platform, Twitter, X thread, Substack newsletter, TikTok mini videos. Set a cadence, daily micro posts, or a weekly roundup. Tools: use RSS feeds, AI scraping scripts, and Chat's summarize feature to stay ahead. Monetize: sponsorships from AI startups, paid newsletter subscriptions, or affiliate links to AI tools. Tips to scale: host live Q&As or virtual tool expos, and create a Tool of the Month membership. Final advice: start small and prove value. Even a one-page landing or simple tweet thread can validate demand. Focus on 1 or 2 methods. Master them before diversifying. Keep learning. AI evolves weekly. Subscribe to OpenAI, Hugging Face, and Product Hunt to spot the next big thing. Now you have a fully fleshed out blueprint for 10 AI side hustles you can start today. Pick your favorites, plan your video script around them, and you'll be ready to ride the AI money-making wave. Good luck and have fun creating.